morning, guys, and welcome back to another cozy day in my life. You guys know I love filming these videos. I feel like when I have cozy days now, I really learned how to romanticize them and for them to be stress-free and for them to involve all things that I love doing and just really embrace those cozy vibes. It's actually the perfect day to be doing this because it's very cloudy and rainy and even a little bit of snowy outside, so I really feel so cozy. As you guys can see, I'm in my Christmas-inspired sweater from the TikTok shop, and I just feel like I am very comfortable and cozy right now. So today we are going to have a whole day of coziness and relaxing and doing the things that I love. As you guys know, I am very strict on my routine and staying in a routine, and where I still did that this morning, I still woke up kind of early while allowing myself to sleep in a bit and did everything in my routine. I do think it's really important to have balance in your life and allow things in that routine that will allow you not to be as stressed, and that actually brings me to the sponsor of this video, which is Dreamegg. If you don't know what Dreamegg is, they're a company that has the Sunrise One sound machine. If you guys know me, you know I love sunrises. I actually have this thing with my mom where she calls me the sunrise because I love the sunrise so much. I'm the sunrise and my brother's the sunset because the sunrise just reminds me of her because of how much I love watching it, and I feel like it just gives off a very peaceful, cozy, relaxing vibe. And there's something about sunrises in the winter that are just amazing. So I'm partnering with Dreamegg because they have the Sunrise One sound machine. I love this sound machine so much. I honestly have been waiting to find the perfect one that I wanted, and when they reached out to me, I was so excited because, like I just said, the sunrise really does resemble me and makes me so happy and cozy, and it makes me able to easily wake up in the morning without feeling stressed, and I just automatically feel so cozy, especially in the winter time. I also love how the sound machine starts at a very dim level of sun and rises like the sun would. It also has really beautiful sounds that play. Today I was listening to the birds chirping, and the birds start chirping very low and then they get louder as the sun starts to rise, as if you were actually sleeping on the beach listening to the ocean waves crashing and the birds chirping. And then there is also a ocean option where you can wake up to the ocean instead of the birds. Another really cool thing and why I like the sound machine so much is because it promotes relaxation and better sleep. I'm someone who has a hard time falling asleep sometimes, and then that goes into a hard time waking up, and whenever I hear something peaceful and a calming sound, it really does help me wake up in a better mood and become more productive throughout the day. Especially when I'm waking up early, I just feel like finding things to add to my routine that are healthy habits and that go along with what I love are really important. And since I love the sunrise, I was so excited that this was a feature on this machine. I think that this machine is really cool too because it's more than just a sound machine to me. I think it does a really good job at promoting wellness and allowing myself to feel those cozy vibes without feeling as stressed. So I would highly recommend it because it makes me so happy when I wake up now, especially feeling like I am on the beach watching that sunrise with the right sounds. It's all about peaceful vibes. I really love it, especially on those days in the winter where it's gloomy like today and you just really want to see that sun come out. It's a good way to resemble it, and you don't have to be cold while watching the sunrise. So I would highly recommend checking out the Dreamegg Sunrise One sound machine. I will have everything you need to know linked down below. I think it does a really good job at promoting relaxation and coziness and peaceful vibes while alleviating morning stress, and kind of just sets me up for a productive day, but also a cozy day as well. Thank you again to Dreamegg for sponsoring this portion of the video, and let's get back into my cozy day. So now that I woke up and I did the parts of my morning routine that I really like to do, we are going to move on to more of the things I love to do and the things that embrace my coziness in this video. So not really following my routine because I'll do that off camera, since I feel like I do a lot of videos about following my routine and getting back into my routine and staying on track and stuff like that. But in this video, I'm going to show what I do in between my routine to really allow myself to stay on track and have that balance that I always talk about. So the next thing we are going to do is wrap some Christmas presents. When I'm filming this video, it is 1 week away from Christmas Eve. It's Monday and Christmas Eve is next Tuesday. I did film a whole wrapping video already about wrapping all my Christmas presents, but like I said in that video, some of my presents didn't come in yet, and I did get a handful that just came in. So we are going to do some wrapping. I have my bow wrapping paper. This is actually the only wrapping paper I have left. I ran out of my Christmas tree one of my gingerbread ones, so I hope this is enough. I don't have too many presents, so I feel like it'll be fine. So I'm gonna put on a winter cozy playlist with some Christmas music, and we're gonna wrap some Christmas presents to really embrace that coziness and also Christmas spirit. This is where I like to do all of my wrapping. So I only have a few gifts. I have 2 Lego light sets for my boyfriend's brother. He really likes Legos and he wanted a LED lighting kit to make his Legos light up, so I got him 2 of them. Then I got a sterling check silver plated frame from Mackenzie Child. This is part of my boyfriend's mom's gift. So waiting for the picture part to come so I can put it in the frame, so I'm not going to wrap this one yet, but it's a beautiful frame and I think it's going to be a really like sentimental gift, so I got her this. And then I have this box, and this is a box of figures. I was talking about this in my other video. My boyfriend really likes collecting figures and statues, and a lot of them are from Star Wars. He has like this whole collection of them, and these figures make him really happy, so I got him 2 of them in here that were custom made, and then I got him another one that's coming from Sideshow, which is where he gets most of his figures that aren't custom made. So that one's still coming in the mail, and then I did get him some clothes as well that are over there that I already wrapped. So we're gonna wrap my boyfriend's gift and my boyfriend's brother's gift, and then as soon as the photo comes, I'm gonna wrap this one as well. It says it's gonna come today, but I don't know how true that is because UPS is having a lot of delays right now, I feel like. But let's just do some Christmas wrapping. Wrapping is done. Now I'm gonna put them under the tree. Finished doing my wrapping. I actually put a lot of gifts on my bed, if you can see back there, because I have to bring some to work tomorrow because it's technically my last day in the office before winter break, but it's not really winter break. We just get to work from home until January 4th because our busy time comes in January, so the first week of the month we're always home, and then with the holidays we're just allowed to work from home. Thursday we do have our holiday lunch, but we're not going to be like in the office all day, so I just thought it would be better to bring the gifts tomorrow. And then me and my boyfriend are actually going to see my grandma and his grandma tonight, and I am going to bring my grandma's gifts to exchange with her because I get my gifts from my grandma very early every single year. It's just something she likes to do. She likes to have a little dinner and then give us our gifts early, so I have her gifts on my bed as well so I can exchange gifts with her. And then my boyfriend got her a gift as well. I got her a really oversized hoodie that's like a blanket material because she's always cold, and I thought it would be a good idea to do like a self-care how to stay warm winter basket. And then I got her a 6 set of hot cocoa cups, and I also got her a coffee mug that has me and my brother's pictures on it, and I think she's gonna really like it. And then my boyfriend got her a toaster, which she's gonna really like as well because he was saying that the toaster she has in her house is really, really old. I want to say it's from like the 1950s from how old it is, and he's so excited to give her this toaster because it's one of those toasters that she has right now that's on the wall, and you can just tell like it barely works, so he got her a new one, and we'll exchange with Chad's grandma on Christmas Eve because we'll see her then. But that is the little gift situation. And then right now I'm going to do some reading. So I really like reading books that have a story that I'm really interested in. As you guys know, I'm not the biggest reader, but when I find a good book that I really love, I do want to read it. And I've been reading The Christmas Tree Farm by Lori Gilmore. I really recommend this book. It's really good, and it really just puts me into that cozy vibe. There's something about reading when I do have a good story in front of me that just reminds me of coziness. So we're gonna read for a little bit and hopefully get a little bit farther in this book because I feel like I've been reading it for so long and I still have so much to go, but it's so good. I just don't read that often, and when I do, I read for like 10 minutes a day, so it's really not that much of reading, but I'm trying to get better at reading. So we're doing it very slowly, and I feel like anything is better than nothing. So let's do some reading, and this one is very Christmas inspired, which I'm happy about.
Dear Santa, tell me that you'll make it here in time. Yeah, this boy is on my mind. The number one thing on my wish list.
I just finished finished doing my reading and now I'm actually going to do some holiday baking. As you guys know, I love baking. Baking is one of my favorite things to do. It's one of my favorite hobbies, and I want to make a whole baking video still, but I'm going to try to do that on Wednesday. It's Monday right now. I'm not sure which video will be up first because this video is going to have to get approved, but I really do want to make a baking vlog where I take you guys through all the Christmas cookies I make, how I make them into little gifts for everyone, and the holiday boxes I like to do. So I have a whole bunch of things that I want to show you that I'll do a haul of right now. Actually, I only have 2 of the things, but I think this is so cute. So I got this parchment paper from Amazon, and it's a authentic bakery parchment paper. I think this is so cute and would be really cute to put my cookies on, so I'll definitely be using this. And then I also have these holiday sprinkles from Target, and these are the Deck the Halls sprinkles, and I am going to use those as well. And then I have a whole cookie set over there on my bed, and I do have 2 new cookie cutters. I have a candy cane cookie cutter and then a Santa cookie cutter as well, and then I have some that I've collected over the years and some gingerbread ones at my boyfriend's house. I'm actually gonna do the baking at my boyfriend's house because we're gonna go to my grandma's from his house, so I'm gonna go there in a little bit and just do some baking there because he really likes when I bake cookies. So it's just easier not to have to transport them there and then to everyone else. It's like easier to just have them all in one spot, and I'll do most of my baking there and probably with him as well. So I'm gonna go there in a little bit, but I'm not gonna do my 6 cookies today because I like to do 6 different cookies. I'm just gonna do 1 cookie today. I'm not sure which one I want to do yet. There was this really cool one. I believe it's just a sugar cookie, and you make half the dough red and then you leave the other half of the dough, the sugar cookie dough, without food coloring, and you twist it and make it into a candy cane. I'll put a picture on the screen about what I'm talking about. I think I'm gonna try to do that because I think that could be so cute and very festive. So I'm gonna head to my boyfriend's house in a little bit and do some baking.
I can feel it in the air. It's getting colder, but yet so warm. Before we know it, it's Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve. This year, I'ma give me something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hopes that I won't forget it, then I won't forgive him, no. Been thinking about you and me.
I just finished prepping my dough, so I have the red dough and then the regular sugar cookie dough. I'm gonna put these in the refrigerator for around 3 hours is what the recipe says. And in the meantime, while this chills, I'm going to do some coloring. So I have this coloring book. It's called Cozy Girl Christmas, which I feel like fits the theme of this video perfectly. It's from Amazon. It is so cozy and gives me all of the festive holiday vibes. I actually already colored some of this in my morning routine video, and it was just so fun. So I definitely want to do more coloring while watching a little Christmas movie. This is the first one I colored. I ordered crayons because I only had highlighters for when I was coloring this, because when I moved from my apartment, I lost a lot of my crayons and my coloring supplies. So I'm going to get my crayons and we're going to do some coloring. I feel like coloring is very relaxing and I want to watch Elf while I color. And then by that time, hopefully when Elf is over, the dough will be ready and we can finish our cookies. I just finished doing my little coloring. I think this looks so cute. There's something about coloring that's just so therapeutic. Now I think my dough has chilled long enough, so I'm gonna take the dough out. We're going to roll the dough individually into logs, and then you just wrap the dough together and form it into the shape of a candy cane. I think it bakes for around like 8 to 10 minutes and then they're all set. And you can also put some sparkling sugar on top of the candy cane as well, which I'll probably end up doing. But first I have to take them out of the refrigerator.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around,
I just finished making the cookies. I feel like the candy canes didn't come out exactly the way I wanted them to, but the idea is there. And then I just made some snowflake and reindeer cookies, and then just some ball cookies with the dough mixed together and then some sprinkles on top. And I think overall they look pretty good. I didn't try them yet because they're still really hot and cooling. I'm just about to start getting ready because we are about to go to my grandma's house, but I have these Christmas cards that I got from TJMaxx, and I wanted to write a little note in it for her gift that I was telling you guys about before. So I am gonna do that before I go. I'm also going to change. I'm still gonna wear something cozy because we're just going to a diner, and it is so gloomy and rainy and snowy out today that I just want to be warm and comfortable. I'm also really excited because since it's Christmas time, there's a lot of Christmas lights out, and I love drives where I can just look at the Christmas lights and romanticize winter. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna fill out this card really quick before I go. I think it's so cute. I'm probably just gonna write like Merry Christmas in it, and then me and Chad are gonna go to my grandma's house, pick up his grandma as well, and then go to the diner. The lighting is probably so bad right now. I'm very sorry. It is like 8:30 at night. Me and Chad went to our grandma's and picked both of them up and went to the Saddlebrook Diner. It was actually really good. I got chicken fingers, which I feel like is such a cozy meal. I love chicken fingers. I changed into a cozier sweater because we just went home to my house and dropped off all the gifts. They're so nice, so cute. My grandma loved all of her gifts, and I'm just so thankful, and I really appreciate everything that I got. I am going to do a haul of what I got for Christmas, so I'm saving those for that video. I'm at TJMaxx right now because I really need to get my cookie trays that I'm going to put all of my cookies in that I'm going to vlog on Wednesday. And then I just need to look for a few more gifts, and I have to get some ingredients for the cookies as well. So I thought I'd still take you along because there's something about shopping, especially TJMaxx and HomeGoods, that is just so comforting to me and does remind me of coziness, especially because I'm in TJMaxx a lot in the winter time because of all of the holiday shopping. So let's go into TJMaxx and hopefully we can find some good stuff. I just spent way too much time in both TJMaxx and HomeGoods. It is now around 10 o'clock. I did get a lot of things. I got some wrapping paper and then my ingredients for my hot cocoa cookies that I'm going to make in my baking video, so definitely stay tuned for that. And then I just got the baking trays that I need to make the holiday boxes. I'm not going to show them because I don't want anyone to see the boxes that I'm going to give because they're gifts. But I'm very happy that I got everything. I also got 2 gift cards that I'm giving as gifts as well. So I have everything all situated, and I feel very relaxed and less stressed about everything I need to do. I think my Christmas shopping is honestly pretty much done. That is going to be it for my little cozy winter vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you stayed up until this point of the video, comment this emoji down below. And thank you again to Dreamegg for sponsoring this video. I'll have everything you need to know about the sound machine linked down below because I already can't wait to wake up to the sunrise tomorrow. I'll see you really soon in my next video because this lighting is driving me crazy and I need to end the video or I'm not going to post it. Love you guys so much. Bye.